I am TheZoeTube, which is actually Zoe. My name's Zoe. Can you move my name's? Oh, me. Hi.
Move over.
So what we're doing today is,
Would you rather?
it's called Either if you want to try it at home.
Either.io. Either.ro. I'm weird, sorry.
Okay, so go next.
Let's
Ow! Ow! I'm okay.
Would you rather have 50% of your body burned or 100% of your body tattooed?
Should we just do one each, so you do the first one and I do the second one?
Okay. I don't want to be burned because it will hurt when I have a shower.
But tattooed is...
Tattoos would look weird on
people,
me.
and it would hurt you.
It would.
I did burnt last time I did this. It just...
Yeah, I won.
You don't win, it's just...
Your turn, Zoe.
We have to try and get... Okay. Would you rather be Matt Dominant or be... I don't even know who these people are.
Then choose a random one.
Okay, the blue one.
Oh, wait.
Yay!
Yay!
Half. Because Matt sounds like a real name. No, it doesn't.
So does Ben.
Don't care.
Would you rather stare at the sun for 2 minutes or drink a liter of scalding water? What does scalding mean? Hold on a minute, guys.
I would do serious... Oh no, that was hurt your eyes.
Hold on a minute.
Yes.
So I'm back, guys. Zoe had to leave, unfortunately. But, you know, I will be continuing this by myself, so sorry about that. Just went to the movies, so yeah. So, would you rather eat nothing but ketchup for a week or nothing but mustard for a week? Well, I for a fact find mustard spicy, so not mustard, I will eat ketchup. Yay, that's right. Oh my god, 1 million people agree with me. Would you rather be homeless or be a slave? I would rather be homeless. No offense. But, you know, it's better than being a slave. Would you rather be handcuffed to your worst enemy for life or be separated from your entire family for life? There's no way. See, this is bad either way. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for either way. Don't tell the Beatles today. Go back to 1960 and go to every Beatles concert. Even until 1970 when they broke up. That, obviously, because you get to time travel. Oh yeah. Would you rather be a personal germophobia chef? Your conversation for you to open. Charge up and then the idea of punching things. Anyway, guys, that is all I have time for today. Sorry for the short episode, but kind of got, but I'm kind of busy, so. But just so you know, I love you all, and don't forget to comment, leave a like down below, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any idea what you. Oh, by the way, I will leave a link to Zoe's channel, but if you guys have any ideas on what I can do for my next episode, please comment down below. Anyways, love you all.